So big fan of just headphones in general, and I love seeing headphones nowadays that are coming out at more budget-friendly prices that, of course, have a whole bunch of features, especially features that are close, if not just really, really comparable to like flagship headphones. So today we're actually going to take a look at the Soundcore. These are by Anker. Pure bass, no noise. The Soundcore Q20i's. These come in about $49 US. So I got them in this nice little creamy white kind of color. They have a transparency mode. I really do like this fast charging. So it says 5 minutes equals 4 hours. So, you stop at an airport or you realize your headphones are near dead. Literally just plug them in. You can get 4 hours. And a multi-point connection. So again, you should be able to connect these into multiple products like a lot of us would have. What's in the box? Sound cords, headphones, an aux cable, which is great. A USB-C cable. And as we see here, it has hybrid active noise canceling, 40 millimeter dynamic drivers for a thumping bass. We'll see. High res sound, 40 hours active noise canceling playtime, 60 hours music playtime if you don't have the active noise canceling turned on. It has a Soundcore app with customizable equalizer, transparency mode, and the ability, of course, to connect to two devices simultaneously. So I'm not sure why you'd want to have two devices connected simultaneously. I'm not sure why you would want your phone and maybe your Mac, maybe or your PC, computer. I guess you could. Maybe you're listening to something, but you also want to be able to hear stuff coming off your computer. Okay, sure. I guess that's something that people would like. I usually only am using one product at a time, so but hey, who am I to judge, right? Anyways, let's just pop this open. And of course, we'll take a look at what comes in this here box, and then we'll take them for a little spin, shall we? Okay, so box, excellent. So we do, of course, in here. Oh, it comes with a little bag. I do like that, nice little bag. So in this bag, we get, and you guys hopefully should be able to see the color here. It is, it's I guess it's like a creamy beigey kind of color, right? This very much looks like the Beats logo. Yes, very Beats like. Soundcore up there, good amount of padding. It does have some, looks like some plastic up here that you could remove. Padding on the headphones seems good. On the bottom here, you're gonna have your I'm guessing this would be, it says NC. I'm guessing that's the noise canceling. So down here, you're going to have like your headphone jack to be able to run it if you want to hardwire, your USB-C for charging. Big buttons though, over here for sure. That's going to be your plus and minus for volume, stuff like that, and your power indicator. Now, you also get in this lovely little box, you do get, of course, your headphone, and it goes color coded. That's kind of nice, right? Same color, which is great because they're going to be dangling out USB-C cable, but white. So it's a USB-A to USB-C, not crazy long, but nowadays we don't see crazy long anymore. And then last but not least, there is a user manual in here. Somehow we get access to it. I gotta figure out how that comes out. There we go. Not that I'm going to use this, but a scan to view the user guide. Okay, it does say that there's an app. So I'm curious if they give me some kind of QR code to go get the app. We'll find out here. No, it just kind of has that. So let's just take a look on the phone. I want to see if there is a Soundcore app. So let's go. This is on an iPhone, of course, so it may be different on an Android. But let's just see. Soundcore. Soundcore. There we go. So we'll just get that. I'll just get this to download. See how that goes. Okay. Put that over to the side. That should download hopefully nice and fast. And these is them, right? Where am I? These are them. So we have a left and a right. Power button is in the center. It's very much back where your thumbs are, so that's pretty standard. Now they are a full over-ear headphone, which again I kind of like. So right off the bat, they actually seal pretty good. Not overly heavy. which is also good. Let's see if these have any charge in them. Let's hope. Push that power button down. Turns on. Okay, good. So far, I'm liking what I'm hearing. This is still down, and the little beep tone is going, probably saying that it's searching for some kind of Bluetooth connection. Let's just scroll down here, see if I find anything. It started beeping. There they are. Soundcore Q20i's. Little connection here. Beep boop beep. Connected. Sweet. This is still downloading, so we'll just wait for that to finish. I always like when there's little apps, because they, sometimes there's different sound preferences. Maybe you like more bass, maybe you like less bass, maybe you like more vocal dominance, maybe you're right. Sometimes it's just really nice and easy to switch between your active noise canceling modes, your transparency modes, just via the app. And sometimes some of these apps will actually have things like firmware updates. So here we go, Soundcore. It is connected via Bluetooth. Whoops. I hit cancel. My fault. Agree. Oh, I gotta log in. So you can log in via Amazon. That seems a little weird. Okay, I'll try this. I'm gonna log in through. Yep, sure. It's gonna create an account for me. Is that it? Yep. Boom. Good. Add a device. Device found. Again, you want to make sure you have it connected via your Bluetooth first. Connect. Wearing guide. Yeah. Make sure you have them on the right side for the best comfort. Extend the length. Yep, got it. Now, the one thing it doesn't do is it doesn't actually have the color of the ones you are using. So just kind of be aware of that. If we go into settings up here, dual connections, so you can go in and set that up. I have one, but you could connect a second device if you felt like it. Auto power off, 60 minutes. Update firmware, any firmware? Nope, up to date. So it does have that ability to do a firmware update, which is cool. You do have noise canceling, normal or transparency mode. Right now it's in noise canceling. And I'd say, you know what? It seems like it's good. Yeah, and it makes a little ding when you switch. Transparency mode. And it's a different sound tone when it switches to the different modes, which is kind of nice. Transparency mode seems to work really good. I can hear myself talk. This one here, sounds like here. And again, still, even without the actual noise canceling on it does a pretty decent job of isolating the sounds. And then noise canceling actually does a very good job. Then we have our sound effects. So we have a default, then we have customs. So you can go in there if you wanted a custom. I'm guessing you could change the actual equalizer if you felt like it. Cool. Soundcore signatures. You can go in here, bass reduction, bass booster. Let's click up the bass, shall we? Let's do that. Controls. Single press tells you what it's doing, rate switching order, sound press, long press, reject calls. Single press, you can go in and tell it what you want it to do. Cool. That's all good. And that's kind of the app. So let's listen to music, because that's kind of the most important thing. And I've been kind of in this whole 3 days grace thing lately, which has been awesome. So I'm gonna come in here and do Mayday, because it's a great song. Ready? I have my volume at about. Okay, they got some good thump. Yep. And I don't know what the sound leak is like. Oh yeah, when you put it in bass mode, not bad. Not too much for complaints. And it's loud enough that I can't even hear myself talking. So I don't really know how loud I'm talking right now. My apologies. Even the highs and the mids. Yeah, that's really good. For sure. And then I'm gonna go to my standard one that I look at. Blinding lights. Right? I always listen to this song because it's got good bass. Let's just hear the low thump. Yeah, and there's not a lot of distortion. Yeah. Yeah, I'm down. That's good. Let's hear the voice on it. Yeah. And if I came in here, of course, and I went to Soundcore, I could come in here and turn that bass boost off and just go to even there the bass is decent, but you get more in the mids. The bass kind of comes down if you're not crazy into the bass. Okay, default. Is your default? No, that must be default, right? But lots of different ones here. Okay, yeah, that's good. I'm down with that. Now, I do want to go in here, and I always test the microphone, and I always test it in normal mode, because sometimes I find that with the active noise canceling on, you don't get as good, because it's using a lot of the mics for the noise canceling. So let's go into Blackmagic here. We'll actually set up this to use, as you guys can see, audio source. Oh, it's already set, Soundcore Q20i. Go back to my camera here. Okay, switch this around, and we'll do a quick recording and see what it's like. So this is going to be the audio from the Q20i's. So this should give you an idea of the audio quality that you guys should be able to get if you're making calls, if you're using these for Zoom, if you're using them to record videos, etc., etc. So I'm just talking in a normal voice, but this should give you a good idea of how those mics actually function. Okay, well, you know what? Yeah. They have, like I said, they have a couple different colors, if colors is a big thing. Seem very well built. No complaints with them. You can actually see some of the mic inputs and stuff like that for the different noise canceling and transparency modes. Very, very nice bass for sure. Very nice bass. No complaints in regards to that. And I think for 49 bucks US, you know, that's hard to complain about too much. Now, just be aware, tomorrow or the next day, we are going to be doing a shootout, because we also have a pair of headphones that come in at the exact same price, coming in about 49 bucks US from Edifier. So we're going to take a listen to those, put them up against these Q20i's, and see which one we think is best. All right, guys, until then, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the little notification bell. I will put links down below if you guys are interested in it, because every purchase you make through the channel helps support us. And we love you for that. We do. All right, guys, I'm out. Later.